Welcome back to Civil Engineer YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I would like to guide you for steel calculation formula for column, beam and slab construction. If you want to build your house and you don't know how to calculate quantity of steel for RCC, slab, beam and column, so watch this video till the end to know about steel calculation formula. Let's get started, guys. Suppose I have this RCC slab. So this is slab, okay? And you can see these are main bars and these are distribution bars. First of all, you will find the total numbers of main bars and total numbers of distribution bars. For example, this is 20 feet and this is 12 feet. So if you need to find the total numbers of main bars, so total number of main bars, so the formula is length divided by center to center distance between two steel rods plus 1. As you can see, guys, the length is 20 feet divided by the spacing is here, for example 6 inches center to center, which is equal 0.5 feet center to center. So therefore 20 divided by 0.5 feet plus 1. So let me do its calculation. So this is when you divide 20 by 0.5 feet, it means 6 inches plus 1. So this is 41 bars. Okay. Same if you require to find the length of main bars. So total number of distribution bars. Main bars I did already. So here length divided by spacing center to center plus 1. So same, guys, here the length is here 12 feet. So 12 feet divided by 0.5 feet, it means 6 inches plus 1. So we require 25 numbers of main bars, distribution bars. So then you need to find the total length. So total length means 41. Total length of main bars is equal, we required 41 bars multiply which length is 12 feet, guys. You can see the 12 feet is the length without concrete cover. Okay, so no problem if there is 1 inch concrete cover. So multiply 12, so you will find the total length. So for total length, how you can find the weight of steel? So the formula is, so this is my point. Suppose let me do its calculation for this. Suppose let me find the 41 multiply by 12. So 2 1 2 2 this is 2 4s are 8, and then 1 1 is 1 and 4 1 is 4. So 1 9 4. So we required the total length for the steel, which is 491 feet. So this is length for the main bar. So now how you can calculate, or what is the formula? So the formula is here. This is formula to find the weight of steel, okay, which is d square divided by 162. But remember, the d square should be in millimeter, right? So here it will give us the weight of steel in kg per meter. So this is very important to know about this point. So first of all, you will do its calculation. Okay, so let me convert this feet to the meter because it will give us the weight in meter. Okay, so therefore let me do its calculation. So 491 divided by 3.28, because in 1 meter we have 3.28 feet. So it will give us the weight in calculator. So the weight of the length of steel. So let me calculate it, guys. You can see here 491. So this is in feet divided by 3.28. Okay, we required 149.69 meter. So say 150 meter. So therefore put the value 12 millimeter I'm using here. The steel dia is 12 millimeter. This is 12 millimeter. So 12 millimeter. So 12 multiply 12 divided by 162. When you do its calculation, so weight of steel is for 1 meter for 12 millimeter dia 0.88 kg. So this is for 1 meter. So multiply 150 kg. So therefore you will find the total weight for the, you can see, you will find the total weight in kg for this meter. Okay, so therefore 0.88 multiply 150. So you can see clearly we required 132 kg steel for main bars. Now for distribution bars you can find same. So suppose you need to find the, for example, I need to find the weight of steel in RCC beam. Suppose the beam span is, for example, 15 feet. Inside this we are placing steel reinforcement. So 15 feet, so this is beam. 15 feet should be divided by 3.28. Okay, so 15 feet divided by 3.28 to convert it to the meter. So you can do its calculation properly. How? 15 divided by 3.28. So this is 4.57 meter. Suppose I'm using here in this beam 6 bars, 4 at the bottom, 2 at the top. Suppose 6 bars, so multiply 6. So this is the total weight, total length, sorry, in meter, min meter. How? 6 multiply 4.57. So this is the total length, 27.42. Okay, so now let me multiply with 0.88. How? As I discussed before, d square divided by 162. So put the value 12 millimeter multiply 12 millimeter divided by 162. Okay, multiply 27.42. Okay, you will get the value. So when you do its calculation, suppose, okay, so 12 multiply 12 and divide by 162. Sorry, 162. 12 multiply 12 divided by 162. 0.88. As I did before, for 1 kg we required 0.88 kg steel for 1 meter. So now I have multiplied with 27.42. So we required 24.37 kg. So say 25 kg steel is required for this beam, which is 15 feet. So if the height of the, as you can see, this is height of the column. Okay, so just calculate the length in meter for longitudinal bars and use the formula d square divided by 162. The d should be in millimeter. So this is a short video in which I have guided you for how to find the total weight of steel in RCC column, beam and slab. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye. Thank you.